Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Today we have a 2000 Model 322 Bobcat mini excavator. This machine's in nice shape, a little over 1,500 hours. It's diesel powered. It's got the retractable tracks, so we can narrow this up to fit through a narrower gateway. Kubota diesel, joystick control, 20-inch bucket that's seen some use. We've also got auxiliary hydraulics on this unit. We're looking at 7 gallons per minute. Do a full 360 spin on the house. The front blade, the extension wings here can be removed when the machine's narrowed up. So when the machine's wide, it is 53 inches. It's a 53-inch width right now, and we can narrow that up to 38 inches to allow you access to limited areas. It's a 1.6 ton weight class machine. Got a 15.7 horsepower Kubota diesel. Easy serviceability on it. It is liquid cooled. There's a shot of our hours. Tracks are in great shape. It's a little slow travel if you're walking at a long distance, but the digging's good once you get there. A little over 7 feet, it's 86.5-inch dig depth, 150-inch reach. We'll go ahead and fire it up here. Again, it's a 2000 model year. You know, I was just going to point out paint. We've got some spots on it that have been touched up. It's got its share of scratches, but you know, the corners are good on the machine. The hood's in good shape. Even the floor mat's in good shape. Look how nice the seat is. The machine's definitely been stored inside. It's not all oxidized. Flip the switch. Now we've narrowed it down that it is the same width as the machine, allowing you access into a tight area. And then these wings remove, pull the bolt and remove the wing. But that's what we're talking about. A machine that'll get into a tight area, then widen it out, so you've got the stability. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2000 Bobcat 322 mini excavator. Open ROPS, auxiliary hydraulics, 20-inch bucket. We got the extendable tracks, dozer blade on the front, joystick controls. Of course, we got boom and house swing, and just over 1,500 hours. 1.6 ton machine, open ROPS. Good machine. It'll go out with an inspection and service. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 for the Bobcat 322 mini excavator. Again, Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.